Everything on here is scrap. This is a scrap project galore.
Well, welcome to Santa's little workshop here.
Pickles. The snowman had a very strange green nose.
And there's your Noel. Let me show you this tree I did. I made this out of scrap brick mold. See the profile? How I cut that one down, I just get a little bit, I'm just using a little bit of this brown in here. There's his play button hat.
The pickle snowman, little Christmas tree made out of brick molding. And we got our church, and we have another church. I made a few of these little holders. Just glued these together. And those would be perfect if you wanted to, if you wanted to put a tree base underneath it. You could give you something to nail to. You could just sit it on there if you wanted to. This big chunky steeple, I really like this. I'll show you what it looks like from the back. You can see it's got two offcuts on the top. Simple little projects. You can do these with your kids if you want to. They're rustic. There you go.
Noel. Or your first name happens to be Lon or Leon. Joy, Elon.
He's got a piece of okra or a pickle for a nose.